Tonight, doctors are reporting an alarming number of flu cases on the rise across Arizona. But as 12 News journalist Trisha Hendricks reports, there's steps you can take to protect yourself and the most vulnerable people in your life.
The number of whooping cough cases known clinically as pertussis continue to climb in Arizona as reports of the illness have skyrocketed nationwide in recent weeks.
We have seen an increased number of cases compared to previous seasons.
Joel Tariquez is the medical director for the Bureau of Infectious Disease with the Arizona Department of Health Services.
Right now, we're at up to 591 cases that are either probable or confirmed in the state. When, if we compare to last year, we were at 344, so a significant increase.
So why is that?
We were taking some specific precautions to prevent respiratory infections, respiratory transmission of infections such as COVID, including face masking, that as we loosen those precautions, we start seeing an uptake of other respiratory infections.
Whooping cough is a respiratory illness caused by a type of bacteria.
Some cough, maybe some runny nose, fever, muscle aches.
What makes it different than other respiratory infections is that the bacteria, which requires some antibiotics to be treated, is that within 1 to 2 weeks after the onset of symptoms, those who have whooping cough develop more symptoms, including shortness of breath and a worsening cough.
That makes an unusual whooping sound. Sometimes this cough is so intense that will cause vomiting.
It's contagious through coughing, sneezing, or respiratory droplets. Young babies, elderly people, and those who are immunocompromised are at a higher risk for developing serious infection.
Some of the complications can lead to mortality.
Joel says as we enter the holiday season, of course, there will be large gatherings, so it's important to pay attention to how you're feeling. And if you feel a sneeze or cough coming on, cover your mouth. The other thing,
vaccination, making sure that those individuals at higher risk are protected with vaccine.
He says sometimes the vaccinations may have a lasting effect of 4 to 10 years, which is why boosters are needed every so often. Most of all, if you start developing symptoms, stay home until you can get tested or treated, all in an effort to stop the spread in our community.
So we have to make sure that we stay protected.
In Phoenix, Trisha Hendricks, 12 News.